Virbhadra Singh was an Indian politician. He was popularly known by the honorific Raja Sahib. The longest-serving and fourth Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, he served as the Chief Minister from 2012 to 2017 before being replaced by BJP's Jairam Thakur in December 2017. He previously served as Chief Minister from 1983 to 1990, from 1993 to 1998, and from 2003 to 2007. He was an elected member of the Lok Sabha in 1962, 1967, 1971, 1980 and in 2009. He served as MLA from Arki constituency and was a member of the Indian National Congress. His wife, Pratibha Singh, was a Lok Sabha member from Mandi. Virbhadra Singh was born on 23 June 1934 at Sarahan, Shimla district in the royal Rajput family of the princely state of Bushire. He was the titular Raja of Bushire from 1947 until 1971, when, by the 26th Amendment to the Constitution of India, the privy purses of the princes were abolished and official recognition of their titles came to an end. Singh was educated at Colonel Brown Cambridge School, Dehradun, St. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.